Tech entrepreneur Elon Musk has stated that he has successfully implanted a wireless brain chip from his company, Neuralink, inside a human being. In an X post, he said that promising brain activity had been discovered during the treatment and the patient was recovering well. The aim is to help treat complicated neurological diseases by bridging the gap between the human brain and computers. The goal is to help treat complicated neurological ailments by bridging the gap between the human brain and computers. In an X post, he said the patient was recovering nicely and that promising brain activity had been found throughout the treatment. For the brain-computer interface community, we must place this news in the context that whilst there are many companies working on exciting products, there are only a few other companies who have implanted their devices in humans, so Neuralink has joined group. Neuralink testing. The FDA granted permission to Mr. Musk's company to test the chip on humans in May 2023. This gave the go-ahead to begin the 6-year research endeavor, which involves employing a robot to surgically implant 64 flexible threads, thinner than human hair, into a part of the brain that controls movement intention. The company claims these threads enable their experimental implant to capture and send brain impulses wirelessly to an app that decodes the user's intended movement. The implant is powered by a wirelessly rechargeable battery. It is a great example of how basic neuroscience research is being harnessed for medical advances and has great potential to help people with neurological disorders in the future, said Professor Tara Spires-Jones, president of the British Neuroscience Association. However, most of these interfaces require invasive neurosurgery and are still in experimental stages, thus it will likely be many years before they are commonly available. Telepathy. Neuralink's first product, according to Mr. Musk, will be called telepathy in another post on X. Control of your phone or computer, and through them almost any device, just by thinking, he claimed, would be possible with telepathy.